Hello! Video 930, BFJ 220, the source code is right down here. Let's get going. My name is Kanji Coder. Okay, in the system index, we've made a new system in this new section called Systems DACA, and that stands for Data Cache. So we have Data Cache for FATA tiles, chronologically the 94th system, dependency order 13. More information is in this little tag here at the bottom of the file. Okay, so underneath top-level helper functions, we have this loose section UAwait array, and this is a monkey wrench macro for the function beneath here. This function, all it does is construct, it's just a wrapper for this, right? It's just a wrapper for a new uint8 array, right? Function array of uint8s, create it using only the length, and the input length is right here, the output array is here. Throw an error if something goes wrong, right? Okay, down here, in const macros by system, here is the stub for the DACAFAD constants in data by system. Beneath bit FATA, we have kind of an about this section here, and we have copies of this constructor as new uint array. 930 is just because we're on video 930 here, and new FATA fx4, new FATA v16, new bomb v16. So we're just kind of trying to say what kind of lookup tables we're making. So this lookup table takes the fx4 belonging to FATA tile and gives us the RGBA bytes of the FATA. It's 4x4 bytes because fx4 is 4 values total, and then 4 for RGBA. Okay, FATA v16. So a FATA v16, we put a v16 value in that's associated with the FATA tile. We get out the RGBA bytes of the FATA tile. There's 16 v16 values. We multiply by 4 because there are 4 bytes here, right, in the output. Bomb v16. So a v16 value associated with the bomb, and we spit out a 4-byte FATA value. So 16 FATA values times 4 because RGBA, right? Okay, let's go to the next section. We are running out of time. Bomb thought. We just got a whole bunch of fucking monkey wrench macros. Don't worry about it, okay? In DACAFAD, the function section, nothing's here, okay? Then down in bomb thought right here, we have this caching function, right? And we have an explanation of what this is, and this caching function is going to call a DACAFAD caching function that's going to cache the binary tile payloads, right? We're going to cache 16 different FATA tiles that are encoded with the current game frame in it. And we're going to do that ahead of time in the game tick just to optimize our tile setters. Okay, so you've been here. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here because I don't have time. Source code is here. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Like and subscribe.